we talk about pioneers from Richmond and Madison County, we think of names like Daniel Boone and Kit Carson. One that often gets missed in this neck of the woods is William Wolfskill. William Wolfskill was the oldest of 12 children. He was born in Boonesboro, Kentucky in 1798, but the family, like many others of the time, moved to Boone's Lick, Missouri, when William was about 11 years old. In the early 1820s, Wolfskill became friends with another trapper, Ewing Young, whose home base was in Teos, New Mexico. Wolfskill and Young operated a trading post there that stocked supplies for trappers. During these years, Wolfskill made many trapping expeditions throughout Texas, New Mexico, and the surrounding area. In 1828, he became a naturalized Mexican citizen, as this part of the West was still part of Mexico. This would allow him to own land and legally trap in the area. Wolfskill left Teos for Santa Fe, and in September of 1830, with a party of mountain men, headed to California. Following trails used by earlier Spanish traders and American trappers, the route Wolfskill opened between Santa Fe and what is now Los Angeles became known as the Old Spanish Trail. The Old Spanish Trail was later part of the Santa Fe Trail that became the central route into California. This trail was used by traders and travelers to the area until the 1860s. When they arrived in Southern California in early 1831, Wolfskill and another member of the party, George C. Yount, went to the coast to hunt sea otters. Wolfskill eventually returned to Southern California, while Yount decided to go north, and the two parted company. Yount was one of the first settlers in the Napa Valley. In 1833, Wolfskill got married, and as a naturalized citizen of Mexico, he was allowed to own land and acquired a parcel where downtown Los Angeles now stands. He began to cultivate grapevines for wine, and he eventually planted 32,000 vines on a 48-acre vineyard, and by 1846 had won an award for having the best vineyard in California. He also planted groves of oranges, lemons, and lime trees, and soon had the largest citrus orchard in the United States. He is credited with establishing the state's citrus industry and developing the Valencia orange. It became the most popular juice orange in the United States and was the origin of the name of Valencia, California. He also served as a government official in Los Angeles County and is credited with opening the first American school in California. When he died in 1866, Wolfskill had become one of the wealthiest men in California and a leader in the agricultural industry that was so important to the early growth of the state.